Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Demolition Man Olds 442. I just pulled this out of the freezer. You can see it's still frosted over. And I had a couple of questions about why the freezer. And that's because it makes glue brittle. And as long as it wasn't put together with plastic weld or a ton of glue, everything should pop right apart. Though that's not to say you might not require some tools. So I'm going to get this all apart and see what I've got. Okay, so I said that it won't work if there's a lot of glue used, and you can see right there, there's a lot of glue used. So what we do in a case like this is we take another tool and we'll actually cut it apart. It looks like the firewall also has a fair bit of glue holding it in place, but that's not as critical. Give it a little tweak here. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. But since that's going to be painted with the body anyway, I'm just going to leave it in place. Okay, on to the interior, and there's a lot less to worry about here. Let's pop that loose from the chassis. Deal with that later. And this is actually all pretty much molded as one piece. The only parts that we've got to disassemble here are the center console and the dashboard. I'll get this in here. There's our dashboard. Now the steering wheel is loose, but we got some schmutz on the back side here, so that's not going to come out until I cut that off. So no problem, I'll just take care of that one later. And I'm not going to do anything with the engine or chassis because I'm not going to use the parts out of this kit. Aside from them being promo, they don't quite have the right wheels in them, so instead I'm going to be using AMT's 69 Hurst Olds kit. And this is going to give me two advantages. One, it's got a fully detailed chassis with working steering, which I kind of like. And it also has the correct rally wheels and the correct automatic transmission to match the movie car. So I'm going to be combining the two kits to give me everything that I need. But before I can do any of that, I got to get this old paint off. So I'm going to give it a bath in the purple pond. I'll have another update next week, so you can check back then. And thanks for watching.